If your Lenovo ThinkPad docking station starts showing issues like unresponsive USB ports, Ethernet failures, or charging problems, performing a hard reset can often fix the problem. A hard reset completely clears the dock's temporary memory and resets its internal hardware state, which helps resolve deeper glitches caused by power surges, driver conflicts, or firmware errors. Unlike a simple unplug and plug reset, this method fully discharges the dock and forces it to restart cleanly. After the reset, it's also recommended to check for firmware updates using Lenovo Vantage to prevent the issue from returning. Step 1. Disconnect the dock from power, your laptop, and all connected devices. Step 2. Wait 30-60 seconds to allow the dock's internal power to fully discharge. Step 3. Press and hold the dock's power button or reset pinhole for about 10 to 15 seconds. Step 4. Reconnect the power adapter, then connect the dock back to your laptop. Step 5. Reattach monitors and peripherals, then check functionality and update firmware through Lenovo Vantage.